Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to catch the mud sunfish in Heartopia. This fish has look like this. I think it's cool. I think you must have this one if you are a collector. And then to catch this fish, you can go to the forest lake, and then it's found at the sunny, rainy, and rainbow. But and it only spawns from the 6 a.m. until midnight, so just go to the forest lake from the 6 a.m. until midnight. This one, just go to this area or this area, just go to this lake, and if you want a higher chance to get it, you can use this attractor or maybe mermaid perfume to catch this fish more easily. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.